Welcome to in this lecture of sociology, which is known as mother of all social sciences. In this lecture, we will see more important definitions. The very first definition here is sociology is the science of collective behavior. It is it was given by R.E. Park and W.F.W. Burgess. What they wanted to convey, actually, they wanted to define it as scientific discipline that delves into the intricate web of human interactions, studying how individuals behave collectively within societies. It aims to unravel the complexities of social structures, institutions, and patterns of behavior that shape the way people live and interact with one another. If we see at its core, sociology seeks to understand the dynamics of groups, communities, and societies, examining the forces that bring people together, the rules that govern their interactions, and the consequences of their collective actions. This involves exploring various aspects such as social norms, cultural values, institutions, power dynamics, and we can say social inequalities that gives rise to social stratifications. And the very next definition of sociology here is general sociology is on the whole the theory of human living together. This definition was given by Ferdinand Tönnies. Ferdinand Tönnies. According to him, general sociology is a comprehensive exploration of the theory behind how humans coexist and live together in societies. It delves into the fundamental principles that govern social life, aiming to unravel the intricacies of human interactions on a broad scale. At its core, this field of study seeks to understand the dynamics of social relationships, societal structures, and collective behaviors that shape the way of people live. It encompasses a wide range of topics, including social institutions, cultural norms, social change, and the impact of various factors like race, class, gender, and more on social dynamics. You should remember that social general sociology does not just observe the surface level interactions but goes deeper, attempting to uncover the underlying patterns and principles that influence individuals within their society. It explores questions about how societies are organized, how power is distributed, and how cultural values are transmitted and maintained. The next definition of sociology here is sociology is a body of related generalizations about human social behavior arrived at by scientific method. Arrived at by scientific method. This definition was given by Lundberg G.A. According to him, sociology is a scientific discipline that comprises interconnected generalizations about human social behavior. These conclusions are derived through systematic scientific methods, providing a structured understanding of how individuals interact within societies and broader patterns that shape collective human behavior. The fourth definition on this very board is sociology in its broadest sense may be said to be the study of interactions arising from the associations of living beings, given by Gillen and Gillen. Gillen and Gillen said that sociology is the exploration of interactions resulting from the associations among living beings. It investigates the intricacies of human connections, social structures, and collective behaviors emerging from these associations. This comprehensive study enables a deeper understanding of how individuals navigate relationships, institutions, and cultural dynamics within the complexities of social life. Sociology deals with the behavior of man in groups. Sociology deals with the behavior of man in groups. A very good definition given by Kimball Young. According to him, sociology focuses on the examination of human behavior within group settings. It scrutinizes the dynamics of how individuals interact, form relationships, and create patterns of behavior within societies. By studying group behavior, sociology seeks to uncover the underlying principles and influences that shape collective actions, contributing to a deeper comprehension of social structures and the complexities of human relationships. What Max Weber said? Yes, sociology is the science which attempts the interpretive understanding of social action. Very important definition. According to Max Weber, sociology focuses on the examination of human behavior within group settings. And it is a scientific endeavor that seeks to interpretively understand social actions. It delves into the meanings and intentions behind human behavior within societies, exploring how individuals interpret and respond to the social world by deciphering, by explaining, by observing the underlying motives and cultural context of social actions. Sociology aims to unveil the complexities of human interactions and contribute to nuanced comprehension of societal dynamics. What E.S. Bogord said about sociology? Sociology may be defined as the study of the ways in which social experiences function in developing, measuring, and repressing human beings through interpersonal stimulation. E.S. Bogords wanted to tell us that sociology can be defined as the exploration of how social experiences play a role in the development, maturation, and repression of individuals through interpersonal stimuli. It investigates the impact of societal interactions on human beings examining how cultural, economic, and institutional factors shape individuals' lives. Yes, according to him, by analyzing these dynamics, sociology provides insights into the mechanisms influencing human behavior and the complex interplay between individuals and their social environments, contributing to a comprehensive understanding of the factors that shape societies. Sociology is the scientific study of the structure of social life. Sociology is the scientific study of the structure of social life given by Young and Mack. According to them, sociology is the scientific examination of the organization and patterns within social life. It systematically analyzes the structures that shape human interactions, including institutions, norms, and cultural dynamics. Through empirical research and theoretical frameworks, sociology aims to uncover the underlying principles governing social order, providing insights into how individuals navigate and contribute to the complex tapestry of society, or we can say the complexities of society. Next, we see Arnold Green, who had given us the definition of sociology as sociology is the synthesizing and generalizing science of man in all his social relationships. According, according to Arnold Green, sociology serves as a synthesizing and generalizing science, encompassing the study of humanity within all its social relationships. It amalgamates diverse aspects of human interaction, from cultural norms to institutional structures. By synthesizing these elements, sociology seeks to generalize principles that elucidate the complexities of social life and human behavior across varied social contexts. G. Duncan Mitchell. Yes, his very definition of sociology is a science for scientific social development. Sociology is a science for scientific social development given by G. Duncan Mitchell. Mitchell said that sociology acts as a science dedicated to fostering scientific social development. Dedicated to fostering scientific social development. Through systematic analysis and empirical study, it provides insights into societal structures, behaviors, and inequalities. By understanding these dynamics, sociology contributes to informed decision making and policies, promoting progress and addressing challenges for the advancement of society as a whole. Sociology is the scientific study of social relationships, their variety, their forms, whatever affects them and whatever they affect. What the Abel Gion said about society, about the sociology, yes, he defined it as, he said, sociology is the scientific study of social relationships, their variety, their forms, whatever affects them and whatever they effect. What he tried to convey? Yes, he said sociology is a scientific exploration of social relationships, encompassing their diverse nature, forms, and factors influencing or influenced by them. It systematically studies how societal structures, norms, and individual behaviors shape these relationships. By comprehensively examining the interplay of various elements, sociology seeks to provide a holistic understanding of the dynamics within societies and contribute to informed insights into social phenomena and their impacts. This definition was given by T. Obil. Thank you. Stay blessed.